101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, good listener and good viewers at home. Of course, yeah, we are back again with BPEC. Hi, guys.
Hi.
How is everything? How's everything? How are you?
Everything's good.
Everything is good. Okay, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Oh my God! Once again, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Giving applause first for us. Yeah, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. sharp, we have a special program with between BPEC and of course Smart FM, namely Smart Up Your Life discussion with BPEC. And every week by week we have a special topic, and our topic this evening is a very soft. Yes, in last week is easy, and this evening is soft. Yeah. In other words, so talking about our community, BPEC is the oldest community in East Indonesia, in Indonesia Timur, and of course we have a many experience. We have a many members output since 1986. It means that how many totally the the age of BPEC 30 going to 37 or going to 38. And guys, and now we are here in Smart FM studio, in the third floor. And of course, we joined it here. It was about 5 years ago, and coming for 6 years. Oh my God! Oh, thanks to Smart FM, and of course, our thanks to Smart FM is very related with a memorandum of understanding, right? And of course, since 2017, we joined here, and oh my God, thank you so much for Smart FM. Thank you guys, thank you BPEC, because you are always loyal. Come here, and this is opening tasting is a very related with our topic, and our topic this evening is Smart FM is the second home of BPEC. Give it applause first. Wow, talking about BPEC and Smart FM. We consider that Smart FM is our second home.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, Yusril, why we consider that Smart FM is our second home?
Okay, thank you very much. So, should I introduce myself?
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
Okay, so hello smart listeners. So my name is Yusril. Just call me Yusril, and then my current activity is I'm a college student. So by that question, why we consider that Smart FM is our second home? Because I would say that every week we are here, like in Sunday we are in Benteng. That's our home base, that's our best camp.
Yeah.
Every week we are there always as well. And in Thursday night we are here in order to discussing things or something like that, in order to improving our speaking skills. So we can say that that's our second home.
How many years you already here?
It's about years.
1.5?
More. Yeah, 1.5.
1.5. Okay.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I don't know how to say. This is one of the amazing experience that I have been through in my life. When I was in 2021, 2021 is the first time I joined in BPEC in December, and in that time my resolution is I want to learn English more, and then I want to be able to speak in front of many people, and BPEC drive me to that way.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Nice.
Yes.
Okay, I move to you. Could you introduce yourself to smart listeners?
Okay,
first?
Thank you for the chance. Let me introduction. My name is Rifki. You can call me Rifki. I am the older one.
Really?
The people in BPEC.
Okay, why we as a BPEC and why we consider that Smart FM is our second home?
Because the Smart FM always give facility our BPEC and approve here to introduction what is the BPEC and improve the English every week.
Why did you not bring a food? Come here.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Why you talking about?
Because this is our second home, right? Okay,
Maybe
continue. You still have any?
Maybe Smartfm have food here, so I come here.
Oh my god.
That's
Okay, you still keep your statement.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. But what about you, Aini? Did you copy my question?
Oh yeah.
Okay, Derek,
Cool.
please.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Andi Nur Inayatul Aini, so you can call me Aini. Talking about BPC as our second home, I say yes because after we
Sorry, Smart FM is
Yes.
our second home.
yeah, Smart FM. I mean, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, because here we yes, our brother already said that Smart FM facilitate us to how to say to be here to
Yeah.
speak English, of course, because that's our purpose as BPEC. I mean, after joining the BPEC and also talk to Smart FM, I guess that is a very
Is this your first time in your life, right? Get routine to come to
Yeah.
radio every week,
of course,
right?
it's such an honor for me.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
the first time I go to Smart FM, I call my father that father, Dad,
watch me."
please watch me on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my father very proud of me. Yeah, and I'm very very happy for
How
that.
did you felt when you come first here?
Oh
Did
my
you
God.
get nervous or?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, because I think that I will be heard by many people.
Yeah, this is a national radio.
Yeah, of course. It's a very how to say best memory for me. The
Wow.
first time.
One
yeah.
of memorable things.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, keep your statement before. Okay, I move to you. Hi. Okay, here give. Okay, new member. Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home?
Yeah, may I introduce myself?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Wahyu Perdana. You can call me is Wahyu. Media activities, and I employ in one of companies in Makassar. So can you?
Okay, my question is why, as a BPEC, we considered that Smart FM is our second home, and I guess you are first come here today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, could you give your point of view, even you are the first time come here? Okay.
Okay. This is your question is good for me. I think this is first time in come here in your radio Smart FM.
Yeah.
I think this is for me is first time is nervous. It's
Okay.
nervous because this first time is come here is live streaming. It's, wow, this is the first time for me. But I feel I should motivate in for me. I should confidence for my mind.
How is your impression when you get here for the first time, especially today?
My impression is I think it's good impression because the feel I feel this I how to say this condition encouraged me for Smart FM.
Are you proud to sit down here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, say hello to your family. Hi, father, hi, mom. Watch me now. Okay, thank you. Wahyu. I move to Richard. Okay.
Thank you for the
Okay,
chance.
could you introduce yourself before and just answer my question?
Okay, my name is Richard. You can call me Richard. Currently, I'm a committee of BPEC.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
what's your
did you got
reason?
my question? Why we consider that Smart FM is our second home?
Well, okay. Actually, firstly is the Smart FM provide us a place to sharing our knowledge about English,
Could you switch your...
everything, which could help us to improve our connection and relation, and of course, especially personal branding in social media.
Okay. So how did your impression when you come here for the first time?
Well, actually, my first impression is I got nervous when I came first time because everyone everyone that I met in the Smartfm is our senior. So
Okay.
I didn't know how to act like. I mean, I lost myself. It's not myself.
Really?
You know, something like when first time I forget that who am I?
Ah.
Because you guys are senior and I'm just new.
Where I am now? Where I am?
Yeah.
Where I am? Who am I?
Yeah. What the hell is? What the hell will I say to everyone?
Yeah. So, since 2017, we was get here, and of course, this is a very, very, we may say it's a blessing and prestige because we have a chance to show our community week by week, and totally today is and six how to say existence in this radio is almost 6 years. Yeah, how do you think about it?
Well, the main things first that coming in my mind is we need to continue the BPEC legacy, and we need to make our legacy itself, which could be the best things that we could share to our next generation, right? Especially how to become confident in front of all the observer.
Okay, thank you. I get the point. Okay, maybe for the next question, or maybe we can break. Okay, anyway, guys, smart viewers and listeners, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.